Question. I want you to move this vehicle to this other side of the parking.
Yes, using reverse gear, I just move to this other point. Then I exit the parking. Then I turn to the left. I stop to give way. Then I turn to the left again. Then I continue, turn to the left again. I come to this other side. Then I continue with this road. I turn to the left. Then using the parking, the entry to the parking, I park to the farthest.
Oh, correct. Are you on the car?
These are African brothers doing amazing work teaching people how to drive. You have to understand how beautiful teaching people how to drive is, because these people are jumping into vehicles which can become their casket. So when you're teaching someone how to drive, you need to take your time and do it the right way so that the person can understand what is driving. I always say there is a mental side of the test and there is the physical side of the test. There are those who go to driving schools and they get driving lessons and they master the step hill, straight reverse, alley docking, they master a car, they master, the art of driving. But because of the mental side is still lacking, they get involved in accidents that they could have easily avoided. They get involved in unnecessary accidents because of that too quick to make decisions or too slow to make decisions. And this is one of those beautiful videos. When I looked at it, I'm looking at the method that he's using. I'm like, okay, I get it. He's following all the rules. And he is actually afraid to stop the vehicle and reverse into the parking, simply because of he doesn't want to cross this other lane, which shows that it's only vehicles which approach in this direction. I am also looking at it and I'm like saying he doesn't want to reverse, go forward and turn to the parking because of he want to do it that way, and that's how mentally he want to do it. But in SA, look, you can easier park that car there, or you can do it the way this gentleman is doing it. And imagine if now the gentleman take the vehicle here and he's supposed to park it on the opposite parking, and he goes there, he goes to the road where he has to give way, and he miscalculate the distance and he get involved in an accident right there. And we asking him, bro, why were you there? And he's saying, I was trying to park the car here, but you left the parking here and you got involved in an accident there. What were you doing there? Why didn't you just reverse it to this parking? Yeah, because of now, this road is for the vehicles. Everything he's doing is right. We're not saying it's wrong, but driving needs your mental side. Sometimes, if you follow rules too much, you end up being in trouble for following rules. Sometimes you have to just use your common sense. Like, listen, this is it. I take it, I put it here. It's safe to do so. There is no vehicle which is approaching this site. Its parking is empty. I just reverse this bloody car and I park it here nicely on that parking. It's fine. Lock the car. That's it. Rather than taking the vehicle here and rounding on the other side and get robbed. And they're like, what were you doing there? I was trying to move this vehicle so I can go to the roundabout and come back and park it. Like, bruh. Tell us the truth. Those people who rob you, did you tell them that you're going to move the car from the parking? It doesn't make sense, say. Why didn't you just take it from here and park it here, say? This one will tell us the truth. These one know the robbers will tell us the truth. So things do happen whereby I understand they're teaching him, and I understand he has to follow the rules, and I understand he has to impress the instructor. But you might look at that in real life after you pass, because remember, we're not talking about studying for a test. We're talking about the real life situation. What do you do in a real life situation? If you take that vehicle and you round to the other side, you find the other Shamua who is under the influence, or who is driving without a driver's license, or who doesn't know how to drive, or who is driving the car which is not safest, and the brake are failing, and you get involved in a car accident when they're asking you, bro, what were you doing there? Like, I was trying to park the car where? To the opposite parking. Like, it doesn't make sense. Why did you go that way? Why didn't you just reverse it? It's according to the rules. Yeah, right. Guys, we're here to learn. We're always learning. African brothers are also doing great work, and we're going to visit Africa. And I've seen that there are African content creators who are using this method whereby they have a board and they show you everything from the board. And I love it because of when they're driving, you see the roundabout. And when they're driving, you see the pedestrian crossing on the other side. I'm like, this is beautiful, because of now you can teach the person about pedestrian crossing. They have a board and they have books and they have maybe the apps, and this is awesome. I love when content creators are creating meaningful and great content so that they can educate people. Thank you, sir, for giving us that video. Yes, of course, it's up there for debate. Others will be like, yeah, just do just do the easiest thing. Take it and park it there. You want to reverse park? Do it with reverse parking. You want to front park? Just park it. It's not a big deal, bro. There is no car which is coming. Others will be like, no. He did it the right way. It takes longer, but it is the right way of doing it.